Hi everyone, today I have a big announcement for all the fishermen who don't and they do have a fishing license. I just recently found out that in Austria exists a place that's called Schacherbauers Fischerparadies. This place is located near to Wels. So from Germany we had to travel 400 kilometers in one direction. Here you can go fishing without a fishing license, and what they have to offer is really amazing. They have up to 6 lakes which contains mostly different fish species. You can catch sturgeons up to 30 kilograms. In this video I will show my experiences from our first day, which is called the Störteich or Sturgeon Lake. So good morning everyone. Today is 4 a.m. and we are heading to Austria. This is my friend Milos. This is gonna be his first time ever to go fishing in Austria, and for me also.
That is my first time fishing in maybe 10 years.
Will refresh your memories.
I will refresh my memories.
So we will make a short break to empty our bladders. This is the German toilet on the motorway.
Your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
So I will give you my beginner's fishing rod. You can abuse it as you wish.
Beginner's fishing rod.
And this is my weapon. He's a natural. First time fishing with that rod. For my first sturgeon bait combo, I will try one Papa Boily, which is crab flavored, and I will spice it with 2 big worms. So it will look like this. It's 10 kilograms.
Smile.
Go back.
I love. Hey, you
Wow, wow.
$10 kilograms.
12 kilograms. Here's the hook. Let's
Okay.
unhook it. Okay. Okay, now we will take a break because we are almost awake for 24 hours. So we're gonna have some sleep in the tent and see you in the morning.